This question is from R.K. Goyal Prabhu. He asks, Hare Krishna Guruji, it is in the context of Nishkam Karma, all our endeavors are for some objective. Devotees are also having the objective to go to Goloka. So what is the relevance of Nishkam Karma?
Going to Goloka that's a spiritual objective. It is not, we don't want to suffer here. Krishna also wants, Krishna is very clearly telling us that if we are attached to going to Goloka, there is a very good desire. We should have that desire. We should have that attachment. That is, we cannot say that I'm free from all attachment, so I don't care whether I go to Goloka or not. That's not at all the right thing. Krishna, many times Krishna is saying that. You come to me. Tatat padam tat parimargitavyam yasmin gata nanivartanti bhuyagam. Tvameva chadyam purusham prapatye yatha pravriddhi prasridha puran. So you go to the place having gone, you will not come back again here. Tadatva nanivartanti. That's what Krishna is asking us. So that way, so these things, kama, the word kama is actually refers to the desire, the attachment, the desires to gratify, the desires to enjoy the material sense objects. That's what is the word kama. So, dhyayato visayan pumsaga sangastesu pajayate sangat sanjayate kama kamat krodho abhijayate. So this kama and krodha, they are produced from the rajoguna. Kama yesa, krodha yesa, rajoguna samudbhavaga. So the rajoguna itself is produced because of our attachment to material sense objects. So nishkama means not having kama, not having the lust, desires to gratify the material sense objects. So that's what is real meaning of nishkama. That means nishkama means it's not that you are going to throw away the results. Nishkama means you are not having attachment to the results. You are not having attachment to the sense objects. That means your mind is not thinking about the sense objects. That means we are always thinking about Krishna. If you always think about Krishna, then our goal of going to Krishna, it is not kama. That is not kama. Our goal of going to Krishna, it is because only when we think about material sense objects, then only it is kama. If you think about Krishna, if you want to go to Krishna, if you want to go to our place, Krishna's world, our world, we want to enjoy there forever with Krishna. So there is prema. So with this, we have prema on Krishna. Love. There is love towards Krishna. We should feel that separation from Krishna. We should go to Krishna. We should not come back again and suffer in this way. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji, for a wonderful answer. What I was just trying to understand, the whole philosophy revolves around taking the maximum benefit out of this life given to us by the Lord. So as a businessman or as a normal human being also, we always try to choose between if we have been given a choice, we try to choose the best thing out of the options available. So here we are probably having the choice of choosing between a inferior kind of energy and a superior kind of energy. And since Lord is having two kinds of energy, one is material energy, other is para prakriti, which he says, that is he himself. So one is intelligent if he chooses to attach himself with the superior kind of energy. And actually he is having only two options. Either he attaches with the material energy or he attaches himself with the superior energy. He cannot have the two. But by doing this devotional service, one can remain attached while remaining detached also. Means he can serve the Lord by putting his consciousness in his lotus feet and keep on associating with the other things in a loose manner. Am I understanding it correctly?
Yes, but we will keep on doing all other things, not something like in a loose manner. We will do it very nicely only. It is not in a loose manner. But the goal here is actually to please Krishna, because Krishna wants us to make more devotees, wants us to spread this Bhagavad Gita. So that way, we have to engage in all the activities. Like Arjuna was fighting in the battle. Krishna didn't ask Arjuna to leave the battle and go and teach, spread Bhagavad Gita. So Arjuna was setting an example for all others, all of them. So that way, we have to do whatever our occupational duty is there. We have to do it for Krishna. And that's what is very important. We should not be disturbed by the results. And that way, we have to make more and more devotees. That's what is very important. So we have to fully depend on Krishna and do everything for Krishna. Then our life is very blissful.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you. Hare Krishna.